How to get free Robux from the Microsoft rewards on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how you can acquire free Robux using Microsoft rewards in 2024. If you're eager to learn about how to swiftly earn Microsoft rewards points, let's delve into the video. First of all, you have to navigate to the link provided in the description below, which will direct you to the page where you can sign up or log into your Microsoft account. Upon completion of the login in or sign up process, you will reach a page where you can commence earning points. To kickstart your points accumulation, I suggest beginning with your daily set of tasks. These tasks are usually simple and accessible every day. By simply clicking on them, you will earn an additional 10 points. Occasionally, there are quizzes available as well, where you can progress through the questions until you achieve the correct answers. Upon completing a quiz, you can earn an extra 30 points. As you continue to complete your daily set of tasks consistently, you will build a streak. Achieving a high streak will grant you a point bonus, resulting in additional points, and after finishing your daily task, proceed to the extensive array of tasks to further increase your points. This task is straightforward and generally reset weekly. Consistent completion of this task on a daily basis will accumulate a substantial amount of points, eventually allowing you to obtain a free Robux gift card. To redeem a Robux gift card, simply navigate to the Redeem section and search for the Roblox and select the desired amount of the Robux. The minimum amount available for the redemption at present is 6,000 points. Once you have accumulated enough points for your preferred amount of Robux, redeem the reward to receive a code for adding the free Robux to your account. So this concludes the guide on how to obtain free Robux through the Microsoft rewards in 2024. Thank you for viewing this video. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one.